Okay, this is going to be a quick demo of the platform Prezi, so you can use it to create your presentations. When you log in, your screen should look something similar to this. It may look a little different than mine because I have some Prezis that I have already made in this platform. If you look on the screen, you can see over here, you can filter by all your Prezis, the Prezis just created by you, and then the Prezis that have been shared with you. You can also organize your Prezis into folders. I'm going to click back on all Prezis. If you look here, you see this blue button that says Create a New Prezi. All right, waiting for it to load here. Prezi is kind of similar to PowerPoint, and I'll point out some of those things, but it is different. It is a different platform from it. So here you can choose a template. Notice this is on latest. You can click more, and there's tons of templates for you to choose from. So you can be crazy. You can start from a blank, but if it's your first time using Prezi, I suggest picking a template. It just might make just your life a little bit easier. So you're gonna pick whichever one you want and hit Use Template, and we'll go ahead and create that for you. So some basic overlay things here for Prezi. If you look over here on the side, these are the slides that are inside your Prezi, which make up all of these areas here. All these little numbers next to it, that's the path that those Prezis are on, those slides are on. So if you want to move or rearrange the path, you rearrange it over here. So what I mean by that is I'm on this first slide. I'm going to hit my right arrow key. It's going to take me to my second place on my path in my Prezi. While we're here, I'm just going to show you some things. You just click and you can add in your title. You can add in text. You can add in bullet points here. Whatever it is that you're wanting to share. Okay, you can change your font size. You can change your font color. All of those things are done very similar to you would get in Word. Okay, now I'm going to click my right arrow key again on my computer. It's going to take me to my third place in my Prezi path. And if you look over here, you see now you're on the third slide. So you can kind of click through and you see it'll take you to these different areas in the slide. Now notice back on this one, this point, it has 0.4 and 0.5, and 0.5 is a smaller circle that's inside of this larger. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you how to make that. So if we look up here on the top of your screen, it says Insert. Here's where you can insert an image. You can insert shapes and symbols, a YouTube video, something that you have, if you've used Prezi a lot, it will put some in a favorites folder for you. You can draw an arrow, draw a line, you can highlight, you can add background music, you can add voice over your path. You can insert a file, PDF or a video. You can also insert a PowerPoint, and I'll get into that a little bit later. But if you're wanting to insert a symbol or a shape, it kind of helps you here with what kind of symbol, what would you be looking for? And there you go. So you can just drag and drop symbols over. If you want to add a spot in the path, you hit Insert, and you hit plus layouts here, and it will give you some options to insert some new things into your Prezi. So if you want to put a circle inside of here, okay, notice I put this circle in here and it went to number 8, which is the last one on my path. If I want it to come after this circle, I need to move it to right after 6. So I just need to move it up 1 actually. So now the next spot I go should be when I click my arrow. The next spot I should go is to the circle on the inside there because I've changed that path for it. And then inside that circle, I can add whatever it is that I would like to add in there. Another important feature of Prezi that you're going to want to know for a collaborative project like this is up here on the top right corner, you have a few options. Present, you have your share options, settings, and to exit. If you hit your share options and you click on share Prezi, multiple people can edit inside the Prezi at the same time. And all you need to do is you just add people by using their email. And you just hit add, and then it will add them to the presentation. To see what your presentation will look like when it's presented, if you just look, I'm just going to click on the first slide there, you click the present button, and it'll just take you through all of your slides. And I'm just clicking the right arrow key to take me through the slides. If you're looking at this, and I just hit the escape key on my keyboard to get out of there. If you're looking, you say, oh man, that slide's out of order, all you need to do is go over here and just move it so it's in the right order, wherever you would like it. So there it is, Prezi. Pretty simple to use, pretty easy platform, similar features from PowerPoint and Word. So I think it's something that you will enjoy.